Traders, I'm looking at the euro dollar. Let's go out to the daily time frame. Get a bit of a bird's eye view here. Let's open that up. You know what? It's been in a bearish trend, but we've had this break of structure, right? Bullish. However, it's trading into a significant liquidity pool up here, big time. So let's just name it liquidity, right? So it's reacted off that, so we can see the pullback. But what we're getting is multiple touches up in here. Let's have a look at the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour, okay. I mean, look, guys, this is a pretty significant level. And look, yeah, it traded into it. You see the reaction of it. It's hit this these buy stops that are sitting up in here. It's hit that. Okay, it's caused it to retrace. But look, it's coming back, and we're tagging this particular level here. I don't know, 1, 2, 3. I mean, it's had about 6 goes at it. Let's go down to a 1H. Look at it, right? I don't trust that. And I don't want to be buying into a big resistance. So here's my thing. And I talk about this. Look, it's already pulled back. I'm a Fibonacci guy, right? I love my fib, low to high. And this price swing from this low to high, this range, is the current trading range. It's trading right at the high of this trading range. This is trading at a premium. Smart money accumulate. This is an accumulation zone down here. That's where they buy. Smart money doesn't buy here. And my thing is, I want to be, attempting to ride the coattails of those guys, right? Smart money. So I need this to come back down into my point of interest down here. I want that pullback. If this happens to hold here and trade north and leave me behind, I'll let it go and then I'll wait for the next opportunity. But at this point in time, I don't want to be buying into that. And if it trades north, I'll pass on the opportunity. What I'm waiting for is this right now. This is my point of interest, especially down here where we have this imbalance. Have a look at this bullish candle here. All right, so that's it's kind of tapped into it. Let's have a look at the on the 1H. What does it look like? Yeah. All right. So we've got a 4-hour imbalance. It's had a bit of a go at it. Fair enough. But I mean, look, this would be my point of interest for this to head back down into, and I'll consider a buy only if certain conditions are met. Let's go to a 15-minute. I just want to show you something quickly. If you have a look at my previous videos, let's have a quick look. I want to show you something. Let's go my posts. Okay, this one here, gold. In the video, I talked about wanting this to trade back down into my fib zone down in here, 50% of a price swing that I pulled, and that is equilibrium. Okay, so this is discounted. If it pulls down into here, at least it's close to, or it's possibly a discount. So and my thing with this video was I wanted to pull down. I want to see this price action range, a little bit of volatility, and the break of structure. And this is the point where I get involved. Well, look what happened. It pulled right into it. Not quite into the level, but it did what I was wanting it to do. And then we had the break of market structure, the break of this high. Away we go. We get involved, right? So that's my strategy, guys. So if we come back to this chart, it's exactly the same story. There's my range, my price movement, that's price range. All right, I want exactly the same thing. And if it doesn't happen, look for another opportunity. But I wanted to trade back down. Now, here's the thing with this. All right, break structure, trades off with speed. Right, break a structure, retest, and then we're off. Now, this could happen here through this imbalance, taking out the liquidity under these lows here, right? Sell side liquidity. It could possibly trade back down into this value area down here, and or it could even reach for the stops under here. The thing is, wherever this price pattern plays out, I'm going to be interested. And then I'll be looking for a break of this range bullish to get involved because it's in a bullish trend on the higher time frame. However, there's one more thing. You want to have a look at the Forex calendar. Guys, we have some pretty significant events coming up in the next couple of days. Do you really want to be involved? I mean, there's going to be a lot of volatility, big time. We've got the presidential transfer that's occurred. We've got President Trump potentially stirring the hornet's nest okay, with his policies and whatever he's signing at the moment, it's most likely going to cause some significant shifts or moves in the markets, right? So, man, you want to be really careful. This is not the best time to trade. And the other thing, December, January are the two worst times of the year to trade. And now this week, Trump's taken over the reins. Oh boy, do you really want to take a risk? That's my question to you. Anyway, have a look at the events that are coming up. There's some high impact events. Now, if this trades down into this level or wherever, and it starts to rotate, and we have a medium or mainly a high impact event that favors the dollar, that strengthens the dollar, then this is out the window, right? If it causes the dollar to lose strength, then a euro dollar buy could be the thing. So keep an eye on the news events. If this price action plays out in and around your point of interest, okay, just be careful, guys. That's my game plan here. I would love you to comment. Please leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts on this. And with that, hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.